Nicole likes you. This is Mix. Who wants the best ice cream? Yummy ice cream. I want ice cream. Hello, which kind of ice cream do you want? I want watermelon. Okay. Oh, look! So heavy. Oh, look, another one. Watermelon. Done.
Aha!
Oh!
Wow!
Yummy. Wow, cool watermelon. Watermelon ice cream. Here you go. Is it tasty?
No.
Okay, I will make another one. Which one? Pineapple. Okay, no problem. Whoa, pineapple. What I need for ice cream? I need a coin. Yes. Here you go. Thank you. Oh, cool. Yeah. Wow.
Well done.
Yes. Pineapple ice cream is ready. Here you go. How was it? Did you like it? I want another ice cream. Kiwi, orange, pineapple, raspberry. Do you want mix? I will get some fruits from Rapunzel. Okay, I will wait. I will buy all fruits.
Wow!
Can I help you? Yes.
A few minutes later.
This is mix. Is it tasty? Nah, I didn't like it. I know, I have a secret one. Can I have another one? I have a chocolate one.
Wow!
Here you go. Yay! Phew! Finally!